you please tell us about your calf barn?
In 2018, we built a weaned calf barn. We were using super hutches or multi-max hutches from Calftel, which worked good, but here in northeast Wisconsin, we get plenty of weather, whether it's rain, dampness, or of course snow. We were looking for options to be a little more user-friendly for employees and a little bit better environment for the calves, at least to get them out of the elements. So we built a weaned calf barn that has 8 pens in it, bedded pack pens, where they come from our hutches until they leave at about 145 days old when they go to our heifer grower. So that what was built in 2007 to replace our super hutches.
What problems were you having with your calf barn?
So the weaned calf barn had worked well for what we were expecting, but we did put an overshot ridge on it open to the south. Now the feed alley is totally enclosed, so it's just the overshot ridge, and we thought with it being open to the south, it was going to vent well and it wasn't going to create any drafts or any problems, but that just wasn't the case. Even with a north wind, it seemed like that wind would howl and curve in and be drafty on the calves, and it certainly caused some respiratory issues and just some overall conditions in the barn that we didn't care for. A little bit of snow blowing in, dampness. So the overshot ridge to the south just wasn't performing to our expectations.
Where did you get the idea of using natural chimneys to use as a replacement for your ridge exhaust? Do they work, and would you recommend them to others?
So in this late winter or early spring of 2021, I was invited to a meeting in Florida where I was introduced to a variety of companies, including Sun North, where we learned about different products and solutions to certain problems or issues we were having on the farm. And that's when I learned about the chimneys. Through our dialogue, we learned that with that overshot ridge, that it was creating a draft. So then the chimneys were installed and the ridge was closed up tight with some polycarb, so it still lets some sunlight in, which the calves seem to enjoy, and it still vents the air out. Because we have positive pressure tubes, there's always air moving through that barn, and the chimneys allow that air to escape even when the curtains are closed up fairly tight in cold weather or windy, snowy, blowy conditions. So both on the milk cow barn and on the calf barn, we're very happy with the results. They've turned out well. They've done what we have expected. The products are less than a year old, but they're holding up very well so far. We're happy with them. We would definitely recommend anybody else to use this product because it works. It seems to be built with quality. It's our understanding and our belief that they will last a long time and continue to perform because they are such a simple product that there's not a lot to go wrong with them. So we believe they will last a long time and perform to 100% ability for the entire lifetime of that product.